So I realized that I overthink things too much. Like this video, for instance, it has taken me forever to actually record this video and release it. My name is Hannah, and this is my YouTube channel, Hannah's Freedom Journey. And I have always wanted to have my own channel since 2015. I would scroll through my phone and I would look at like videos like this that I've done, but I never end up posting it because I'm overthinking this whole situation. I'm thinking about, how should my hair look? What makeup? Will people even want to watch me? But then I was like, wait a minute, like I thought about people that I watch, what draws me to them. If I'm not looking at you for makeup tutorials or hair tutorials, I'm looking to see if I connect with you, right? And I realized that is what I have to focus on, not focusing on the appearance, but more about making sure I have something to say that will connect to somebody. Additionally, I also want to have a YouTube channel as a living journal because I think it's fantastic when you watch somebody for so long and then you're able to go back and see their older videos and see where they have come from. And it's a beautiful thing to watch. Yes, sure, we have cameras, like we have our photos and our videos, our personal videos, but it's also nice just to have it online forever. Well, you can always delete it, but it's nice to have it forever. Anywho, I ramble. I'm going to try not to ramble. But what I'm trying to do here is I want to document my freedom journey. And my freedom it includes 3 pillars. The first one is financial freedom. And in that is where I don't want to have any debt. And I want to make sure I have enough money to not have to work forever if I don't want to. And I just live off of my investments. The second pillar for me for freedom is, I guess it has to do with my body in regards to weight loss and my physique. So my being in shape and living a very active, healthy lifestyle, it is just what I've been doing forever. But more recently, I've been focused more on recomp, building muscle. So I want to kind of see my own progress during this, like recording my progress so I can see it in the future. And the final thing, which I think it's the most important pillar for me, is having career or lifestyle freedom. That may mean I have my own business, I don't work for anybody, or I finally work for a company, or I do the job that I actually want to do. That being said, this year, January 2026, I quit my job. Yeah, I quit my job. I did not have any position lined up, but because I had paid off almost $50,000 of debt, I was like, I'm not taking this anymore. I did not like my job. I was like, if I'm able to pay off that much debt, I can do anything. But because, I believe in the law of attraction, the universe came through for me. So I don't have the pressure right now for at least another 6 more months. I don't have the pressure of having to go and get a job. I don't want to settle, right? And also I want to use this time to really see if I can build something for myself so I don't have to go and work for somebody, even if it's a part-time job. I don't need to work like how I was before because I had to work like that before because I had to pay off debt, right? So having that freedom of not having debt, not having car payments, credit card payments, student loan payments, it freed up so much of my time. If I choose to work a couple of days a week, fantastic. If I don't, But anyway, if any of this stuff has touched you or is interesting to you and you want to kind of follow along in my journey, please, it would be nice to have you. I'm also interested in seeing other people's journeys as well. You can make a comment. We can create a little community here where we can kind of cheer each other on and keep each other accountable. Anyways, if you're still here, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.